Main plot, subplot, side plot. Am I losing the plot? Quite possibly.
No fluff writing advice. Cut the fluff!
Most novels include multiple plots. The main plot is the larger story, the sequence of events that takes us from beginning to end. A subplot is a secondary plot that runs alongside the main plot. For instance, the main plot might be to slay the dragon. No, hold on, there's a bit too much dragon slaying going on, isn't there? I've changed my mind. The main plot is now to consensually bed and then ultimately wed the dragon. That's better. A subplot to that might be an ongoing conflict with a religious group that believes that love between a man and a dragon is morally wrong. The main plot involves seducing the dragon, while the subplot focuses on the dispute with the anti-dragon love group. Got it? Great. Finally, a side plot is a minor story that's separate from the main plot, like a side quest. Maybe on his quest to bed the dragon, the protagonist also has to collect 10 boar skins because winter's coming. But not every boar he kills has a skin for some reason, so he has to kill like 40 boars just to get 10 skins. Video game logic. Any side plots shouldn't distract or detract from the main plot. If you keep sending your characters on pointless side quests, you'll frustrate most readers. After all, they're there for the main story, not a bunch of unsatisfying side quests. Keep your video game logic out of our novels.